How to fill friend bar on Monopoly Go. So first, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application, and there are a few ways here on how to fill friend bar on Monopoly Go. So the very first one here is you just have to go to the three lines at the top right corner and go to settings. Now you have to make sure that you're connected to an account, so you have choices later in order for you to play with friends, and then you have to invite more friends. So you have options here. You can connect to your Facebook, you can connect to your Google, okay, and then invite friends. Another way on how to gain or invite friends is to simply go to friends, tap friends here, and then click invite. Now there you can see option like invite and then Facebook invite. So you're done with the Facebook invite. Then if you're going to tap invite here, then you can probably send your Monopoly Go link in order for your friends to invite you or to add you as their friend. So you can send it via Gmail, you can send it via WhatsApp and other applications. Once you tap that one, the word invite here, then you can see here some applications. So we have Instagram, we have Facebook. Okay, so we have here Snapchat and Skype. So everything is up to you. So all you have to do is to tap that one and invite them to download, install Monopoly, and then add you as their friend. Now, if your target is to add friends at the same time, collect dice, okay, more dice. So yes, you can also do that one. But in order for you to get or gain dice, what you want to do here is to simply play Monopoly Go. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap that Go button there and then play Monopoly Go to get more dice. Okay, so also aside from inviting friends, you can also participate to other activities here in Monopoly Go to get more dice. But since our tutorial is all about getting friends, inviting friends, or getting more friends in Monopoly Go, so those are the methods on how to invite friends. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.